How does one get into typewriters? Well, for me, it consumed me with the interest in mechanics. I'm a mechanic, and I picked this machine up for $53 at a used junk shop. It wasn't working quite right, but after looking into the problems, I became very interested in these machines. Some of these teeth are on the wrong side. See that bend right there? Ta-da! Now, that seems like that might have been my issue. So it starts with one. Next thing I know, I got a whole pile of these things around the shop. This one off the top is a 1941 Corona Standard. It already works, just needs some cleaning. Here's another cool one, 1936. Pre-World War II, Royal O. It's working, but it's also got some issues.
Well, I sure do miss that good old electric washing machine. The one that we ain't got around here no more.
These last two machines here, I got at the same time and are very similar. One is a 1948 and the other is a 46 Royal Quiet Deluxe. There's something wrong with both of these machines, and maybe the platens are just worn out, but between the two I should be able to make one that works.
Just humming away going. But the old one went.
This little gray 48 has got a lot going for it. It's got a tabulator and margin release on the right hand side, pica font, tombstone keys with the glass top. You know, this year was designed by a renowned industrial designer. His name was Henry Dreyfuss. He made all kinds of stuff that you see all the time, like the Honeywell thermostat and the Princess phone. So these machines are known as a Dreyfuss machine, and I'd like to save it.
Well, I cried when I seen that brand new automatic washing machine. 'Cause I'm sentimental for the old machine.
Most of these rubber platens on these typewriters are getting awfully hard because of their age, so I'm working on a technique to turn them down and recover them, like a recap tire.
Bonafide washing machine. And the new one looks much more like a television set.
Well, so far so good. Even the thinnest of papers is feeding into this machine.